find dy by dx if x plus e raised to x is equal to y plus e raised to y. Now here we have been given an implicit function and we have to obtain its derivative, that is dy by dx. So the equation given here is x plus e raised to x is equal to y plus e raised to y. Now differentiating with respect to x, we obtain, now derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x is equal to, now derivative of y is dy by dx plus derivative of e raised to y is e raised to y into dy by dx. Now on the right hand side we could take dy by dx as the common factor. Now on the left hand side we have 1 plus e raised to x. Taking dy by dx common, so on the right hand side we obtain 1 plus e raised to y into dy by dx. Now rearranging the terms, we obtain the value for dy by dx. So therefore we get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to y.